One of the greatest concerns for Fortune 1000 companies today, as well as any other well-run company, is employee retention, and for good reason. According to Gallup's 2017 State of the American Workplace Report, 51% of currently employed adults in the U.S. say they are searching for new jobs or watching for new opportunities. And this is up from 19% in 2012. And the 2015 Tiny Pulse survey, with over 400,000 anonymous employee responses, discovered that 78% of today's business leaders rate engagement and retention as one of their top concerns. All CEOs know how tight the job market is today and how critical it is to retain their best people. As an example, employee retention expert Malcolm Moore says that every great company must find new and creative ways of re-recruiting their top performers. So here's a question for you. Is there a new and powerful way of retaining top talent for the long term by providing those key people with the potential of tax-free income for life in retirement, as well as provide an immediate multi-million-dollar life insurance policy that benefits their heirs as well as your company? Well, the answer is yes. And the company, by the way, gets to decide the vesting period for each employee of theirs, and there is no money out of pocket for the employee and very little to no money out of pocket for the employer as well. So how can all of this be accomplished? With a strategy that we call structured premium financing for company-sponsored programs and company-owned life insurance plans. Company-sponsored programs are for companies who elect 1 to up to 49 employees to be a part of this plan. And COLI plans, again called company-owned life insurance plans, are for 50 or more employees who participate in this plan. Our firm has aligned itself with one of only 2 organizations in the entire country that has access to extremely unique and highly beneficial financial solutions for our clients because of their strategic relationships with some of the top insurance carriers and banks in the world. So if your company qualifies, we can assist you in financing the future retirements of your key people with tax-free income for life, and the bank loan is repaid at the insured's death from the policy proceeds. So how exactly does this work? Let's take a look at it. Number 1, you decide who you want to participate in this program and retain for the long term. Number 2, you decide their vesting period. Some choose 7 years, some 10, some 12. It's completely up to you. Number 3, we'll have one of our preferred insurance carrier partners issue a multi-million-dollar indexed universal life insurance policy for each of your employees in the program. By the way, this type of policy gives you the upside of the market with no downside loss or risk. Number 4, then one of our preferred banking partners will fund 100% of the premiums for each policy on an interest-only basis. And the interest may be paid annually by the employer or accrued by posting cash or cash equivalent collateral. Number 5, each policy utilizes a proprietary high cash value rider, which means that each policy's cash surrender value is equal to 100% of the first 7 years' premiums paid by the bank. That is a big deal, all 7 years. Number 6, when the cash surrender value of each policy exceeds the loan balance, each employee can execute tax-free loans or income. Let me give you an example. Let's say we have Molly, who is 35 years of age, and she earns right now $125,000 a year. She could qualify based on her age and number of participants in the program for a $3 to $4 million policy. And then in approximately 15 years, she could be receiving around $180,000 of tax-free income per year, as well as a very nice death benefit that will go to her heirs and even possibly to your company or university, however you want to set that up. So once again, looking for a new and powerful way of re-recruiting your top performers for the long term, as well as gain a significant edge on your competition in recruiting the best people in your industry? Well, if so, we should certainly talk.